Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make oats cake in a katori. This is definitely a very healthy recipe. You need not worry if you don't have an oven at home. All you need is a kadai and 2 katoris. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixie jar, add half cup of oats, grind it coarsely and keep it ready. Now add the oats powder to a bowl. Then add 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well and make sure it's lump free. Now close it with the lid and let this rest for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now, so let's open and check. To this add 1 tablespoon of maida. You can also go with atta if you prefer to. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well and make sure it's lump free. Now add 1 tablespoon of boiled and cooled milk and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well and your batter is now ready. I've taken 2 katoris today. Grease it well with oil. Now fill it with the batter. Fill only till half. Then add some chopped cherry in the top. This is totally optional. You can also go with any toppings of your choice. Now heat a kadai and place an idli plate on top of it. Close it with a lid. Close the steam releasing hole with a paper. Let this preheat for 10 minutes in medium flame. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's open and place 2 katoris and close it immediately. Let this cook for half an hour in low flame. It's been half an hour now, so let's open it. It's perfectly done. Let this cool for 10 minutes, then remove it from the katori. Now your delicious and super healthy oats cake in a katori is ready. Serve it to your family and friends and enjoy. Do try this recipe and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.